Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. This week guys, we're doing a bit of a cooking video and I'm showing you a lovely breakfast that I got inspired to make for my trips around Cornwall. We're talking beautiful Cornish sourdough, beetroot and mint hummus. The colour is incredible on that. Cornish smoked back bacon, a soft poached egg, fresh chives and of course some Cornish sea salt. That breakfast guys will get you going in the morning, trust me. You can eat it as a brunch, it's amazing. So guys, check this one out. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and also we're going to Molly's Motel, the new one in Bristol, tomorrow to review that. So that video will be out this week as well. Let's go guys. Look at that. The beautiful colour from the beetroot and mint hummus. The toasted sourdough, that lovely crispy smoky bacon and the soft poached egg, fresh garden chives. This is one of the best breakfasts you can make. Okay guys, this one is really quick, but there's a lot going on at once. We've got bacon grilling, we've got eggs poaching, we've got sourdough toasting, we've got a few herbs to cut up, presentation to do at the end. So we're going to start with the smoked bacon. So I've got this griddle pan heating up here. A great way to tell if that's hot is to get a bit of water, splash it in, she's good to go. So we want to grill the bacon first in the griddle pan and then we're going to finish it off in the oven. So I've got my oven on at 180 degrees. Let's get our bacon on guys. Now this bacon is already smoked, some lovely Cornish back bacon there. So we're going to give that a few minutes either side and then stick it into the oven to finish that off. Whilst we're just doing that guys, let's get into the main part of this dish, the beautiful sourdough. Look at that. That is so special. You want a nice little slice of this. We are going to toast this, so don't cut it too thinly. And this is going to be the base for this dish. Can you see? This is such a beautiful bread. And this one is from Baker Tom in Cornwall, but there's loads available. Waitrose do a great one, but incredible bread and great for this breakfast. Right, let's just flip this bacon quickly. Starting to get a bit of nice colour on there, and that is what we want, get that fat rendered down. I'm using an egg poacher for mine guys, so I'm just going to turn my egg poacher on. Really cool if you want to get like perfectly round, cute looking eggs, which I do. You don't have to, you can do it the old fashioned way, I don't mind. Next, just get this out, ready to go. Look at this guys. This is beetroot and mint hummus. The colours on here are crazy. It is absolutely beautiful and delicate, and it's going to be the base for this dish. So we'll just pop that here just to warm up a little bit. Beautiful char on that. Oh baby. We've also got a couple of chives here guys. I add a nice little crunch, so just pop those there for the moment. Give that bacon a little turn. Oh, flip it alternate now guys, just to give it a bit of a different char. But we want that fat nice and rendered down, crispy. Also, we're going to grill the sourdough on here afterwards, so all that lovely bacon char taste and flavour is going to be going straight into this bad boy. Lovely little free range egg. I'm just going to crack my egg, so that's ready to go now. That bacon nearly ready just to come out. Give it a little bit more colour on that side. Egg poacher's nearly there. These things are so cool because they're quick, they're easy to clean. You can do 4 eggs at once really quickly. You don't have to keep checking the timing. Right, come on then bacon. He's coming out now. I'm going to kill the heat on that for the moment. Just pop that bacon there. And I'm going to chuck that now into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Just for a few minutes to get nice and toasted up. So we're going to get our egg poaching now. Beautiful. In she goes. So clever, right? I've got a little system for doing mine, a little time that I know that works, but obviously, typically with a poached egg, you want really 4-5 minutes, depending if you want it sort of runny in the middle or not too runny in the middle. Jordan's very fussy with his eggs. He has to have them perfect, so his need to be about 5 minutes. Very particular. I'm just going to give the bacon a quick flip. Oh, I love the smell of like when you start oven roasting smoked bacon like this. Another minute or so. Got about 2.5 minutes left on the egg. So now this griddle pan back on here. I'm going to start to toast up the sourdough and just really get all that bacon fat and juice in there, because that is going to make it go crazy. There's something so special about sourdough as well. It's really robust, it can take a lot on it, and it's just got the best flavour. It's quite a savoury flavour, so it's really good for breakfast dishes, I find. Right, just whiz this sourdough, have a side now. Oh, can you see all that beautiful rendered out bacon fat on there? Quick check on the egg. Yeah, she's coming along. The bacon's going to come out in a moment. I'm just going to let that sit for a minute whilst the sourdough finishes up. Look at that. Beautiful. Just pop this over here for a moment. Final little twist on the sourdough. Egg's going to be coming out in a moment now. And then we'll start building, guys. Sourdough out, and the beautiful, don't be stingy with the beetroot and mint hummus. You want a nice coating of that on there, just like that. That's the old egg. Keep that there a second, guys. On with the bacon. Get your chopped chives, or get your chives rather, over the top there, like that. Poached egg, and because I pre-oil these and they're kind of non-stick, it should just sit up there like that. Rock salt, black pepper, a few more chives on there, and there we go. Now, normally we let the customer do this, but there you go. Absolutely stunning, guys. And from whichever angle you look at this, guys, it's always gonna look stunning. Ooh-wee. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the dish. If you want to cook any of our food, as always, don't forget a link below for our food blog. Next episode, we're in Molly's Motel and Diner in Bristol, checking out the new restaurant. So we'll see you then. Thanks again for watching, and hit a like and subscribe on this video. Cheers, guys.